Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Today, back out on the production floor, and we've got some things going on here. We have just taken possession of this new tube laser. Now, this will be the second one that we have. So you say, what does a tube laser do? It lasers tubes. How about that? What else can it do, though? We are going to be processing all of our angles. So when we're cutting all the special angle to go around custom sized panels, we can also run that angle through this tube laser. And it can cut, it can cope, it can miter, it can do most anything we need it to do. So this machine, it's called the BLM, had it shipped across the ocean, came over from Italy. Second one we've got, we're putting a big investment into the company. And we're not done getting this installed yet. You can see that there's still more items that have to be attached to it. We've had riggers in here. We've got our plant engineer working on it along with another group of guys. But pretty soon we'll have the second laser up and running, and it's really going to change the way we process angle and tubing. So that's what we got this week. We're trying to grow and keep going. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.